Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a Honda CR-V that we've taken in and we've got for sale. So what we've got here is a 2016 on a 16 plate. This is a CR-V 1.6 D-Tec EX manual with the four-wheel drive system. So quite a rare car this. Beautiful conditions, finished in passion red metallic, along with beige, full beige leather interior. So lovely car. This full Honda service history. And like I say, one owner from new. So let's have a look around. We've got front parking sensors, we've got xenon headlights along with headlight washers. Okay, moving down the side, we've got these lovely EX alloy wheels, all in tip-top condition, no marks, no scrapes. While we're down here as well, just to show you, we've also got side steps on this car. These were optional. Nice little styling detail. We've got chrome roof bars. Well, not chrome actually, they're aluminium, but aluminium roof bars. Lovely condition as you'd expect at this age. More chrome and aluminium detailing around the back. Rear parking sensors. We've also got a chrome surround on the exhaust, which I think was probably an option. And a little CR-V scuff plate on here as well. So we've got electric tailgate, reversing camera, I notice it's going up as well. Loads of space in the back of these, quite a low loading area here, loads of height, load area cover as you'd expect in here, and down under here, space saver spare wheel with all the tools. So loads of space, loads of room, really practical. Button there to shut it. Down this side, all in tip-top condition. Beautiful alloy wheels on here. They got the black centers in them, which look great. Inside the car, as you can see here, we've got beautiful beige leather. We've got a full set of carpet mats in the car as well. CR-V scuff plates on the doors as well. Nice little detailing. Get into that, we've got keyless entry and opening as well, and keyless start. Selection of electric mirrors, windows and electric seat memories. So we've got electric seat on the passenger side, on the driver's side. Sorry, I need to just check the passenger side, can't remember, I have to have another look at that. As you can see, the beige leather, and it's lovely. The combination of the beige with the dark dashboard and dark surrounds looks really nice. We've got the economy button there. Multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control, etc. Across the middle here, screen which incorporates sat nav. Okay, so we've got DAB radio in here, we've got sat nav, we've got Bluetooth. Okay, so we've got reversing camera with the directing lines there as well. Okay, climate control, as you can see down here, we've got heated mirrors, folding mirrors as well, 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got heated seats down here also. Okay, so we've got full size panoramic roof here. This double opening clever blind. This gives you loads of light. Yes, and it's all tinted as well. Doesn't open this one, it's a fixed glass sunroof, but it does give you massive amount of extra light into the car. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. There we go, all lovely and tidy under here. This is the 1.6 D-Tec diesel engine, plenty of power, plenty of fuel economy, and remember this is four-wheel drive, this car as well, so big benefit there for bad road conditions. Okay, so there we have it. Just to recap on that, 2016 on a 16 plate Honda CR-V 1.6 D-Tec EX, high specification, 6-speed manual gearbox One owner from new, 38,000 miles. Full Honda service history with the car, so it's been maintained by Honda all the way through. Lovely colour combination, tip-top condition this car. Any more information, all the photographs, and we photographed the service history as well, so please do look at the photographs all on our website on simonshieldcars.co.uk. You'll also find all the pricing structure on there as well, and finance options. And if you need any more information, please give me a call. It's Simon Shield, and it's 01473 658 091. Thank you for watching.